iOS 27 Dark Mode theme for Xiaomi devices. Apply settings UI. Liquid glass and depth effect. Spatial wallpaper. Let's install. Hyperos 3 Global ROM. Open Play Store. Install app. Allow all permissions. Apply MTZ. File in description. Open Theme app. Customize theme. Lock style custom. Enter password. Lock screen wallpaper. Enable depth effect. Text under battery widget. Enable spatial effect. Add widgets. Home screen wallpaper. Use Google Wallpaper app to apply. Applying MTZ themes through the Zyper app will not revert to the default theme, allowing you to use MTZ themes permanently on Xiaomi devices. This is a beautiful theme inspired by iOS 27, and it even applies its design to the Settings app. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.